Okay, so what you can do to choose some different fonts is go to dafont.com. You can see that up here. I'm going to look for something that looks like it was handwritten. So I'm going to come over here to this category, maybe a graffiti style font. I can click on that. What's really great about this is you can preview how you want your text to look. So if I just put in my name and click, you can put in whatever text you're going to put. Choose submit. All of the examples will show up using those letters. And you can see with this one, while some of them are capital and lowercase, they're all coming up as capital letters. Once you find one that you like, you're going to come over and click on download. Once it's downloaded, you can double click on it here. Pop up in your file explorer. You either want the true type font file or the open type font file. Either one is okay. Double click on it and then choose install. It'll install and now it will be available to see in Illustrator. I'll show you that in a second. One of the things you do want to pay attention to is the name of your font. It's going to make it much easier to find when you're in Illustrator. So here I am in Illustrator. I'm going to come over to my type tool, click once, do not draw a box. You get limited by that. And I'm going to type in whatever text I want. Now, if your properties window is showing, character should come up. But if not, you can go to window, all the way down to type and choose character. And then here, my font was called DOC something. There it is. If I want to resize it, I can, but I need to hold shift. If I want to change the color, I can. I'm going to do that over here.